Welcome to this quick guide. Today, we'll show you how to delete generated and uploaded images in the ChatGPT library. First, navigate to your ChatGPT library. Here, you'll see all your saved images clearly displayed. To delete an image, simply hover over it. You'll notice a small trash icon appear in the corner. Click on the trash icon. A confirmation message will prompt you to confirm the deletion. Select Yes to confirm. The image will be removed from your library and cannot be retrieved. And that's it. Your ChatGPT library stays organized, making it easier to find what you need. Maintaining an uncluttered library not only enhances your workflow but also boosts productivity. Remember, these steps can be done anytime to keep your workspace efficient. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more tips, stay tuned to our channel for future content on optimizing your ChatGPT experience. Goodbye for now. Simplify your digital life with effective management. Happy managing! See you next time.